My name's Joel Imhoff. I'm from Texas, and I ran a course called Design Thinking. There's something called new product development, which is how we typically bring products to market. But this is an alternative to the typical way that new product development is done. It's called Design Thinking, and you take people through about 6 or 7 phases, and it's just kind of a more human-centric way of looking at bringing a new product to market.
It's been an amazing course. It's been very student-oriented. The professor, he's been amazing. He's helped us. There's been some complex issues, but he's made them very clear, and we really just can let our creative side show, which I have not had a class like that before, so it was an amazing experience to be in a place where you feel safe enough to express your ideas.
It's all about creating processes, finding ways to complete projects in a more efficient way. And also, it's a huge test of your ability to work in teams. And this experience gave me the chance to work in teams in a more collaborative way because we're starting from scratch, really.
I think one of the great things about design thinking is it emphasizes the fact that we definitely need the concept of hard facts and hard numbers, and we need good research, but we should also put creativity and an artistic nature up right there next to number crunching. It's easy to kind of forget that.
When I come to class, it's not like I'm here just to study. I'm here also to make friends, to have fun, to create something new, to broaden my horizons, to work with my creativity.
I've put them into teams. In our first project, I was basically taking people through all the steps of design thinking. And we went through each step, we worked on it together, and like that. And so they developed trust within that team. And then when it came time for the second assignment, and a lot of it was them working on their own, going through that whole process again in a shorter period of time, they felt, I think, more confident in their roles in the teams.
For each project, you had a different team. And in those projects, your goal was to innovate a product and then innovate a service. So for the first 2 weeks, we went slowly through the process of innovating a product. Our team had cereal box, and that was really fun. And then in the second one, my team had innovating a service. We chose gift giving. So yeah, basically the point of this course is to learn how to innovate, not invent.
You have to understand the customer's point of view. There are some frameworks that the professor gives you and some way of thinking about it that you have to learn. So you go through all the steps and you really get the chance to basically test out what you know in a safe environment amongst friends.
There was so much to do every single day, and now that it's ending, I can't believe I got so much work done in 3 weeks. I really was able to accomplish a lot with my teams, both of them, and I'm really proud of the work that we got done.
I would like to say anybody who has ever thought a summer course is going to cut into your summer, give you more stress, give you more work, you're absolutely right. It is stressful and it's intense, but it's also fantastically rewarding because when it's done over the semester, you don't really get to see all the rewards and all the feedback as quickly as possible. And here, you are working really hard the whole time, but after 3 weeks, you've really accomplished something you didn't believe you could.